Hello everyone, today I'm going to be repairing a drippy bathtub faucet. First thing that I've done so far is turn the water source off to this bathtub. Next I'm going to remove the handles. So I'm going to start with the hot here. So to do that I just take the little cap here, pull that out. Now there's a screw there, and that is a screw for a flathead screwdriver, so let me grab a flathead screwdriver. Okay, I've covered the drain up because I don't want this screw to fall down the drain. Okay, now I can just pull the handle straight off. And there's a cover here, I'm not sure the name of this. It just unscrews. Pull that straight off. Okay, now here's the cartridge here. And so I'm going to remove that. I'm going to get a crescent wrench and I'm going to loosen this nut right here. Okay, now I should be able to get it out with my hand. A little side note here, I turned the water off. You can see it's continuing to leak. Maybe I didn't turn it off hard enough, so I'm just going to take this piece here and I'm just going to set it under here. Let it drain into the tub that way. Now let's get back to the cartridge. Here's a look at that faucet cartridge that I just pulled out. So there's a loose piece right here, and this is where that back plate screws on and off to. On the end of the cartridge here, there's a rubber washer here, and you can see how it's damaged. It's real flat. There's grooves in it, and there's a Phillips head screw holding it on. So I'm just going to take that off. Put the screw aside, and then hopefully with my thumb I can, well, it looks like I'm going to need a knife, just pry that washer out. You can see those grooves in there. That should be a flat side there. So it's in really bad shape, and I'm expecting the other one on the cold side to be the same. So I'm going to go ahead and get some new flat washers. So I'm back from the hardware store and I brought the old washer. I was going to match it up with new washers, and had a little problem because it's so worn I really couldn't tell if it was the 00 washer, flat washers, or the 1/4 inch flat. So went ahead and bought both of these. These are $1.97 each with 10 in a pack. Opened up the 00s and they are what I need here. Probably should have brought the cartridge to the hardware store as well, but the 00 goes in just like it's supposed to there. Next thing I'm going to do before I put that washer in, I'm going to clean the seat a little bit. Now it does look clean on the sides though. There's some maybe hard water deposit, so I'm going to clean that off with some steel wool here. And then I'm just going to put the washer in. So I'm going to work on that a little bit and get right back to you. So new 00 flat washer, old washer. Let's go ahead and put this new one in now. I've cleaned it up. Next thing I'm going to do is take off all the old Teflon, Teflon tape, and then put the new Teflon tape back on the threads. Alright, now we're ready to put the cartridge back in place. I'm just putting it back on in reverse of the way I took it off. Okay, let's put this plate back on, screw that in. Now I have to line up my handle here. That's all there is to it. It's very easy to do, guys. Let's put the little cap back on. Next, I will start on the cold water. And that should be it. Thank you for watching the video. Hope it's been helpful. Take care, guys.